So this class we will focus on essential prime implicants. Okay. So in the most simplified expression, we will have EPIs. So EPIs. Okay. So first of all, what is an implicant? If I take sum of min terms, okay, so each product term, or I can take each sum term, okay, and also for example, and also you have, okay, you'll understand this, don't worry. And then you have prime implicant. Okay, this is important because if you have prime implicants, from that you can find or you can select EPIs. Okay, so PI. So this PI is, I'm talking about product terms now. You can also, I mean, you can also make use of some term in the discussion, but I'm using product term. Okay, so product term obtained, product term obtained by grouping maximum. This is important. Yeah, most of the students are doing mistake with this. Okay, by grouping maximum possible adjacent cells. Okay, that's it. And then coming to the most important stuff, that is EPI, essential prime implicant. Okay, you can write it down like this. It is the prime implicant, it is the PI otherwise, which contains, it is the PI which contains at least one. I'm considering product term, so therefore I'm taking one. If you consider some term, you can take 10. Okay, one which cannot, one. See here, important stuff is which cannot be, okay, which cannot be covered by any other prime implicant. See, the theoretical stuff, may put you at some level, but see, when we solve the problem, any problem otherwise, you feel it is comfortable, don't worry, at least it's no big deal. Okay, rest of the things are not very important for us, but I can give it for, as a matter of fact, I can show something. And RPI means redundant prime implicant. Okay, you can take this down like this. It is the prime implicant whose whose each one's is covered by at least one essential prime implicant. Okay, and and then you have something called as SPI, where S is special prime implicant. Okay, this is neither EPI nor RPI, neither essential prime implicant nor redundant prime implicant. Okay, so finally you For now, you forget about RPI, SPI. You focus more on.
దాని ఫోను నీ ఫోను ఈ టీవీ
Someone
కనెక్ట్
is
చేసి ఉన్నాయి.
Raghavendra Sai, 39.
అయితే కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి లేదా? కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి లేదా?
Okay. He is bashing, I think, with his family. So, anyways, please mute yourself. Okay, so finally.
Sorry, sir, I did not see.
Yes? Who is speaking out there?
Sir, by mistake it was muted.
Yes,
Sir,
what
my
happened?
family members are doing some.
Okay, no problem. Nothing to worry.
Means Wi-Fi suddenly switched off and off.
Okay, no
thanks.
problem. Okay, you can mute yourself. Thank you. So, simplified expression. End of the day, this is we require, okay? So, method 2. In method 1, we employed direct simplification technique. In method 2, we make use of EPIs in the expression, and we came to that result now. So this is essential prime implicants plus certain optional, you will come to know this, optional non-EPIs. Yeah. Except for now, this plus term plus optional non-EPI, but this is important, okay? So this is what your simplified expression. In general, your expression is something like this, okay? Now we will start solving problems. Directly we will attack. You will tell me everything you see. I will take one question. For example, f of ABC, I have a 3-variable Boolean function. Say now this is sum of minterms 0, 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Suppose if I ask you, identify, the question is this. Identify number of implicants, okay, prime implicants, and I ask you essential prime implicants. All right, I ask you this. So I'm just question is simple. So yeah, the maximum digit of course is 7. You have 3 variables, so you have 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 cell K map. Okay, I'll take now 8 cell K map. So I'll take MSB as capital A and LSB as C. Now, okay, my font is working fine. 0001 1110. You have 01, and I take my minterms here. So this is 0, this is 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay, so now 0. Now I have 0 here. Okay, 0, 1, 5, 6, 7. So 0, 1, I have 5 here, 6 and 7. Yeah, are we clear so far? See, from this theoretical stuff, you see implicant is what here? See, I'm using product terms now. Each product term is an implicant. Okay, now you tell me how many implicants I have here?
3, sir. 5, sir.
Very good. 5. I have 5 implicants in total. So implicants equal to 5. What are those individual ones here? See, individual, this one implicant, implicant 2, implicant 3, implicant 4, implicant 5. Agree? Just the number of, whatever stuff you have in this parenthesis, those are what your implicants. And that's what he is saying in point number 1. Agree? Now, second one, prime implicants I want. How many? I want prime implicants, PIs.
3, sir.
Yeah?
3.
I'll see. Prime implicant is product terms. See, I'm taking product terms now. You can also take some terms if you're using product of max terms. Then I can make use of some terms. I make use of this product terms if I make use of some of min terms. That's it, okay? So product term or some term obtained by grouping maximum possible, see, maximum possible adjacent cells. Okay, see, maximum possible adjacent cells. For example, you see one of your friends, he said 3. That means he grouped it, but he did not take maximum possible. See, one possibility is this, yes or not? One
Yes, sir.
possibility is this. I'll take second possibility, something like this. This is my second possibility. Okay. So my third possibility also is ready. Let me take which color I can take. Okay. This is my third possibility. Do I have any other possibility?
Yes, sir.
Which cells? 1 and 5. Yes or not?
Yes,
I
sir.
can also group 1 and 5. That becomes, of course, redundant. If I group 1 and 5, that becomes redundant, but still, see, because he is saying that you take maximum possible grouping of maximum possible adjacent cells. So this is also possible. Though this cell number 1 and 5, this is redundant, but still that grouping is also possible. So therefore, see, generally we don't want that, okay? We don't want this cell number 1 and 5 to be grouped because already min terms are covered, okay? 1 and 5 are already covered. So again, I don't want it, but I want to go for maximum possibilities. So therefore, how many you have now? 4.
4, sir.
Agree?
4, sir.
What are those? If I take the first one, see, in gate examination, they're also asking how many and what are those. Okay, the first, see, this is what your A complement, B
B
complement.
compliments.
Agree? And what about this one? That is what? Okay, I don't want expression. Okay, I'm just
A
asking.
complement C, sir.
Very good. So this is B complement C because A is changing from 0 to 1. And what about next one? This one?
AC.
AC, sir.
AC, fine. And what about this red one?
AB, sir.
AB.
So total number of PIs are 4 in number, and these are as follows: A complement, B complement, so on, AB. Okay, now you tell me, now what is the important stuff, EPIs? Yeah. Okay, so this is what I have. Let me remove all these things. Okay, so now we came to the main stuff. Essential PIs. How many? See, for example, not example, okay?
Who, sir?
See, yeah, very good. Someone gave me the correct answer. It is a prime implicant. It is a prime implicant which contain at least one because I'm dealing with product term, so I'm taking with one term. At least one which cannot be covered by any other PI. See, it is a PI which contains at least one which cannot be covered by any other PI. Now you tell me what are those? Now you have 4 PIs, okay? Out of 4 PIs, how many EPIs you can choose now? How many?
2, sir.
Very good. And what are those two? One is A complement, B complement, and other is what
AB, sir.
AB.
AB. Because you see, for example, if I take this pair, this is one PI, okay? This is one prime implicant. Now, in this prime implicant, I have two ones, one here and one here. Now, you tell me, can this one of this PI can go and pair with any other pi?
No, sir.
Yeah, this one of this pi cannot get paired with any other pi in this. So it is just left like that, ideal like that. So therefore, I can choose A complement to B complement as one of the EPIs. Okay? And see, in the same prime implicant group, this guy, this square guy, whatever, this rectangle guy, whatever, this one is covered with whom here? This one can get paired with this EPI. See this PI. This yellow is also one PI, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
fellow is covered with this fellow. So therefore, I cannot take this PI in EPI. I mean the second, I mean whatever, I have to make it a different color, okay? So I can't take this guy as my EPI. Why? Because this fellow covered with this fellow, and not only that, and if I take this curly, this curly pi, the remaining one here, this one is also covered with the red one. Yes or not? Obviously yes. So therefore I can't take, so this is my pi, this is my EPI, and this fellow is non-EPI. And what about this red one here?
The
What
red
about
one is
red
an
one?
EPA.
Red one is
EPI, sir.
why? See, in this PI, this is one of course prime implicant. This red is of course a PI. In this PI, this one is covered with this PI. But whereas this one is not covered with any other PI, yes or not? This one is left alone like that. He is not covered with any other PI. So therefore, I will choose this one as my EPI again. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
There must be at least one which cannot be covered with any other PI. At least one. Okay. So fine. But let's take a step further and we will see something else. And for example, I have some f is equal to, say, sum of minterms. I have 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, and 7. So the maximum digit is 7. So how many variables we have here? 3 variables. So you have 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 cells. So you have 8 cell K map or 3 variable K map. So I'll take here A, B, C. So I think by this time everyone is acquainted with this terminology, okay? So okay, I'll make this color on 0, 1, because this 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now to fill these minterms here, so I have 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. See, covered everything here. How many PIs, how many I's I have here?
6, sir.
5, sir.
Implicants. Yeah?
6, sir.
6, sir. 6, sir.
6. Just count. See, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Total 6. So I have 6 implicants. So implicants are very simple for us to do. And then I want to find PIs. How many?
5, sir.
Are you sure? See,
Sir, 6, sir.
maximum possible groupings.
6, sir.
6 is correct. See, anyway, simple.
Yes,
Whoever
sir,
said
6.
5, even you can also do it again. No problem. See, it's very simple. There is no big deal. I'll take a different color of it. I'll take this color. Okay, see, this is one possible pair. This is one PI. Okay, first of all, again, I can see like this, any octet, any quad, whatever, okay? But I don't have any quad, anything here. I'll go for pair again. This is one PI. This is one more PI. Agree? Now, I'll take one more PI. I'll take color. I'll take some light, this color I'll take. So this is...
Sir, is it 7?
Yeah, no, 6. Okay, we'll count, don't worry. But 6 is the correct answer, okay? So 3, And I'll take one more, okay? I'll take one more. So this is one more. So how many we obtained here so far? 4. Agree?
4, sir.
4, sir.
Now the other thing I can group these two. Agree? Okay?
Yes, sir.
See, already they are covered. Already this cell and this cell is covered already. But still I'm going for maximum possible groupings. Okay, so therefore I made a redundant trial. So this red one is of course redundant, but still we can take it because we have maximum possible grouping. And any other stuff we have?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1
Sir,
and 5.
1 and 5.
1 and 1
Very
is
good.
verified.
This 1 and 5, I think you catch the tempo. Thank you. I'll take a different color now. Okay, so total you have 6 PIs. Now whatever groupings, I mean whatever we have in front, so all are simply PIs. Everyone understood, right? This one, everyone? Could you raise me your hands who didn't understand this? Who didn't understand this about PIs? Please raise your hands. No problem, please raise your hands. Okay, everyone understood, fine. That's great. Now, how many EPIs?
0, sir.
0, sir.
0.
Excellent here. So EPIs 0, okay, because I'll take, okay, for example, this is a messy kind of thing, but I'll try to make it big. Okay, I'll take, first of all, I'll take this one. Okay, I'll take this PI. So in this PI, I have two ones, one here and again one here. Now this one is covered with this one of this PI, okay? And this one is covered with whom here? Is covered with this one. Yes or not? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, this is not our EPI. Okay, so this fellow is not our EPI, non-EPI. And what about this? That first of all is non-EPI here, okay? And of course, I'll take this one again. Of course, this is also, I got non-EPI. So he is covered again. He is covered because you see, this one is covered with this one. And again, this one of this fellow is covered with this and he is covered with this. So on, you see everywhere. So everybody is covered. So all PIs again they're I mean all ones are covered like this. So there is no one left. So all ones are covered. So therefore I don't have any EPIs for this. If I don't have any EPIs for this, then can I get simplified expression? Of course you can get. What is there? Remove redundancy. So whatever you have, that's the answer. That's a simplified one. And if you have any EPI is a simplified most one. That's it. So there's no second thought in that. So just don't confuse in that, okay? So then again you have like this. Sum of min terms 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. How many PIs? How many I's here first of all?
5, sir.
Okay, 5.
5, sir.
Just count the number, that's 5. So A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This green is not looking good. This is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. All right. So I'll put this, I'll plug in these numbers. Okay, so 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. So I'll put it down here. So this is 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now you tell me how many implicants? Yes, you're right. Implicants equal to 5. How many PIs here?
5, sir.
No. See, always you have to go from the maximum possible grouping. First of all, see, I
Two,
think
sir.
you're taking only pairs.
Yes, sir.
See, in this
2, sir.
case, I have an opportunity to make a quad. Yes or not? I have an opportunity to to take a quad like this? Yes or not? This is a
Yes,
quad,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is a quad. I have this opportunity. So this is one PI. This is of course a PI. And anything else?
yes, sir. 0 and 1.
Yeah, 0 and 1. So therefore this is also PI. I don't have anything more than this. So PIs are 2. And what about EPIs?
1, sir.
Think properly and then tell me.
0, sir.
Then that's what I'm telling you. Most of the students, most of us do mistake here only. Here. We don't understand that theoretical statement properly. There must be at least one of the PI which cannot be covered by any other PI. Now I'll take this PI. Okay, this one, you tell me with whom he is covered here? With other PI. Other PI is what? This PI. I mean this PI, yes or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
one of this PI is not covered with any other PI. Yes or not? Any other means in this case I have to
Yes, sir.
quad. There is at least one. If at least one, if it is not covered by any other PI, then that must be an EPI. So there is this one. Of course, this one is already covered, but this one
2,
is
sir.
uncovered, right? So therefore, one EPI I got. This is also an EPI. So also, and what about this one?
EPI, sir.
Why? Because you see this fellow, or this fellow, this fellow. So see this cell number 375. They are again. See, there is more than one. See, in this quad is again one more PI. In this quad, this fellow, this 3 cell, 7 cell, and 5 cell, these ones are again uncovered with any other PI. Yes or not? So there, see, because any other PI is what here I have only this other PI, right? So this other PI, these ones, this one, and this one, they are not covered. So therefore, how many PIs? I mean, how many EPIs you have?
4, sir.
2, sir.
No. I'm telling you, see, no, not like that. You see, no. It is the prime implicant, okay, which contains at least one which cannot be covered by any other prime implicant. So there is a communication with PIs only. So how many PIs I have? First of all, tell me.
2, sir.
Yeah. So there is communication with only 2 PIs. Of course, I have, see, the condition is at least one. At least one. But I have how many ones here? I have this one. I have this one. I have this one. Yeah, I have many, but meaningfully, I have only 2 PIs. This PI and this PI. That's it. So there is a communication with only 2 PIs. Of course, I have more than one here. Doesn't matter. But there is only 2 PIs. So therefore, answer is
2
2.
EPI.
That's it. Yeah. So you make
Yes,
this
sir.
very important. That's what I'm trying to put more time on this. Okay, I'll give one more graph. Sorry, not graph. One more K map. Let me take again 3 variable K map. ABC 00 01 11 10. This is 01. So how do I put now? Okay, I'll put it like this. I'll take one here, one here. Now you tell me how many eyes I have. How many eyes?
5, sir.
Okay. How many PIs?
Sir, 4.
3, sir.
Okay, no. Maximum possible grouping. I have 1,
4,
2,
sir.
okay. And I have second group. This is also possible. And I have which color I can take. This is also possible, and this is also possible. Okay. Anything else possible here? No.
No,
So
sir.
we have 4 PIs. How many EPIs now?
2, sir. 2, sir.
Great. So EPIs are 2. We will see what are those. See, first of all, I will take this PI, this white one, okay, this PI. Now, in this PI, this one is covered with this yellow PI, okay. So this one belongs to both white and yellow PI. So therefore, you can leave it. But this one is uncovered. So this one of this PI is not covered with any other PI. So therefore, of course, this is both PI and EPI. All right. Now I'll take this yellow one. Now tell me this yellow one. What happens to the yellow one here?
Sir, it's a PI, but not an EP.
Yeah, this is PI, but not, because PI, not EPI. Why? This fellow is covered. This fellow is also covered. So this fellow is covered with this PI, and this fellow is covered with this PI. Yes or not? So
Yes,
therefore,
sir.
he is just PI, not EPI. Now I'll take this green one. I'll see whether my green one is satisfied. This green one. In this green PI, I have two ones, 1 and 1. Now see, this one of this PI is covered with this yellow PI. So disqualified. And this one of this green PI is covered with whom? This
Blue
blue.
ones.
So therefore, he is just a PI, not API. Now I'll go for the last one. Okay, this is of course my PI. Anyways, it's my PI. But is it an EPI?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
because see, this one is, of course, this blue one is covered with this green one, okay, but this yellow one of this blue PI is not covered with any other PI. So therefore, this is also an EPI. So I have total 2 EPIs. Okay, so far so good. Everyone clear? Everyone, are we clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Now we will go. I don't have ready-made cells. Drawing these horizontal vertical lines is a big deal. Say A, B, C, and now, to your surprise, or this condition also, this figure also sometimes possible, of course. First of all, what is F here? F equal to what?
1, sir.
1, right?
Yes, sir. 1, sir.
You have octet, so you have 8 cells. You can take the entire 8 cells in one group. That is octet. That's fine. Now tell me how many PAs you have.
1, sir.
1, sir.
Are you sure?
1, sir.
Think properly. No PI, no EPI. Why? Whenever you find F equal to 1, if F is not 1, then okay, then you can say some PI. Sir, octet is there, no sir? Okay, yes, octet is there, therefore you got 1. See, in a prime implicant or essential prime implicants, there must be what here? Literals, right? There must be some variables in that, yes or not? In PI or EPI, there must be some variables. For example, you see this one, if I take this one, the variable is what now? Variables of what here? B, C complement, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so individual I have literal 1, literal 2. I have some variables like that in PI or EPI, something like that. But in this case, F is equal to 1. There is, first of all, no variables. All variables got eliminated. Right? When there are no variables to be shown, then simply take no pi, no epi. F is equal to 1. That's it. F is equal to 1, no pi, no epi. Very simple. There is no big deal in that. Now, okay, I will give you one gate question now, okay? Let me take one. See, most of the questions what I solved here is belongs to important examination papers, okay? Okay, you please do it now. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13, 14, 15. Please tell me number of PIs, EPIs. That's it. And you know how many I's? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13, 14. Just count them, and those are number of I's. You can do this. So maximum digit is 15. So you have 4 variables. Okay. I have 4 variables. That means I have 16 cells. Let me take 4 variables as A, B, C, D. F of A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. See, also you can take this one like this. Why always same stuff? I don't have any option to copy the same. I must draw it again. Oh my god, this is awkward. For a change, you can also take down the same stuff like this. I can take AB here, CD here. Okay, you have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, but you will get same answer here, okay? Answer will never get reversed. Answer, of course, is same. The reversed or whatever, same answer, right? Now see, how are we going to take here these numbers? So this is what 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Come down 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 12, 13, 14, 15. Agree? That's true.
Yes.
Now what about here? This is 0. Now come vertical 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 14, 15. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Obviously, what's there? You see this, you are coming this way, A, B, C, D, okay? This is like, anyways, the order is what? A, B, C. This is the order. This is the order. Okay, of course, this is the order. Here, this is simple. But see, if I go like this, I have an order, you see, A, B, C, D. Therefore, we are taking this one. But this one, you see, it is something I start from A, then B, then C, then D. So this is somewhat inconvenient to go with. But you know what? Somebody, they feel this is more convenient, okay, rather this one. So therefore, it's all up to you. Whichever you want to choose, you choose. You will get, of course, same answer. Answer will never change. Don't worry. Now just put it everything. So 3, 4, 7. So this is 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13. Where is my 14 and 15? That's it. Can we group 16 cells? No. Can I group 8?
No.
Can I group
No.
8? No. Can I group 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can take 4 cells. 4 adjacent cells I can take. So this is one. So this is one PI. Any other PI is possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, sir.
So other PIs are also possible. Let's take down. Okay, again same color. The problem is choosing one good color is the problem here. See, so this is all are looking same, all colors. Okay, any other things here? No, it's our right. So number of implicants, how many?
8.
5.
No, no, I
5,
mean,
sir.
8, sir. 8.
8, sir. 8, sir.
just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, number of PIs?
5, sir.
Very
5,
good.
sir.
So one quad, the blue quad, and remaining pairs you have. So total 5. And now you tell me number.
4, sir.
4, sir.
4, sir.
I got everyone is giving quick answer. 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. 4 is correct. That means you can solve great questions then. Okay. So 4 is correct answer here. Why? Because see, you have 5 PIs, and out of 5 PSC, now this one is uncovered. Okay. So this one of this PI is covering with whom? With no one, right? Yes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
one
Yes,
is
sir.
not covered with this, is not covered with this. This one, of course, is not covered with this quad. This one is not covered even with this PI. Similarly, this one, if I take this one, see, this one is not covered with this quad. This one is not covered with this pair. This one is not covered with this pair. This one is also not covered with this pair. So second EPI. Similarly, this one, you see, this one is not covered with any other PIs. Similarly, this one is not covered with any other PIs. Yes or no? So therefore, you have 4 EPIs. So this is one EPI. This is also EPI. So this is also EPI. Now what about this? This is also EPI. So all pairs here are EPIs. Except quad, because in quad all ones are covered. See, this one is covered with this one is also covered with this PI, this one of the quad is covered with this PI, this one of the quad is also covered with this PI. So all ones of this PI is covered with other PIs. So therefore the quad, the blue rectangle, whatever you're seeing, the square, that cannot be our EPI. Okay, so therefore I'll add it down. This is non-EPI. So I hope you all are clear up to this. Everyone. Everyone? Are we all clear so far? I mean, thus far?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Teacher,
So we will solve 2 more problems. I mean, 3 more problems on this.